In this video, I'm going to explain to you the single most effective exercise for curing low back pain long term. Now, as you know, or maybe you don't know, I've injured myself a lot. I've broken my back, I've torn a disc in my back, so I know a few things about core stability and how to get rid of low back pain, right? Otherwise, I wouldn't be doing this right now, right? So, the side plank, it's an incredible movement. It is so boring. It's so boring, but it fucking works, right? And I'm gonna show you how to do it properly, okay? So, and also how to make it harder. So the first thing you wanna do is you need to teach your pelvis and your spine to move together, right? If you're moving your spine independently all the time when you have some kind of inflammation or some flare up in the lower back, it's gonna cause you trouble. So you wanna learn to move with your hips and allow them to take some of the brunt. Now, that's why I like to start from a front position. My feet are a little bit wider than my hips. From there, I'm gonna rotate in one motion. I'm gonna get my feet completely flat and I'm gonna hold here, okay? And this is my side plank position. And when I finish, I'm gonna come back. Now, there are a couple of other variations that you can do in order to make that a little bit more challenging, a little bit more interesting, right? Same thing, into that position, and you can add a rotation. Don't look at my arm, look at my torso, my hip, coming around and through. And the second, actually I'll say the third one, will be a dip as well, right? Just to make it a little bit more interesting for yourself, keep going. Now, why does this work? So many people suffer with low back pain because they're weak from a stability point in the core, especially on the sides, but also their glute medius, the muscle in their glute that's responsible for external rotation, is also incredibly weak. And as a result, your lower back has to try and stabilize your hips. So your lower back is almost bearing the brunt of you having weak glutes, okay? Now, if I was gonna select one exercise to fix all of that, it would be a side plank. And I've done it with literally hundreds of clients, and it's so effective. It's the cheapest low back therapist you're ever gonna have. Try this. You should be able to hold a normal side plank in that position for 90 seconds, regardless of body weight. Because if you're heavier, you need to be more stable anyway. If you can't hold it for 90 seconds, gun to head, that's where you should start before looking at anything else.